thought I was going to have to remove the air vent on this side because the side-to-side movement had stopped working. The piece in the centre here had got out of line and wasn't connecting with the bars underneath to actually move it. What I realised though was this piece actually comes out, so you can remove that, and if it's not lined up properly then obviously this will move and it won't connect to the bits underneath. So it actually connects to the fourth one up, and you can slide that back on, and as you slide it up you can then push the prongs so they're connecting with the bars underneath, and you may need to do a little bit of adjustment and jiggling it around, but that will allow you to fix it without actually needing to remove it, and then that will allow you to adjust the vents. I was hoping I might be able to repair the one on the other side as well. You can see here these are not actually connected, but having looked at the one on this side, there's actually a piece of plastic that goes underneath here and connects all these together, and that is obviously broken on the passenger side. So I think my only option is going to be to actually buy a second-hand unit and replace the whole bit.